Next topic is record. Record is a collection of field. Field means data element. A record may contains a non-homogeneous data, that is data item in record may have different data types. In record, the natural ordering of element is not possible. First of all, what is meant by record? Record is a collection of fields, means the data item. A record may contains non-homogeneous data, means non-homogeneous data which is collection of different data type stored in a particular one field or one record in a table. In record, the natural ordering of element is not possible, means the natural ordering means the 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a natural ordering number in record, which is not possible for the ordering of element, natural ordering of element. So this is called as record. Then next is the element in, please refer the textbook. The element in the record can be described the level number of example. 1 minute. The element in the record can be described by level number. For example, hospital keeps a record of newborn baby. This is the database which is stored the newborn baby data. It contains the following data items: name, sex, birthday, fathers, mothers. Birthday is a group item consisting of month, day and year. Father and mother are also group item with sub item name and age. The structure of this record is as follow. In this structure, the natural ordering is not possible. So first one is the newborn baby, which is the data item, that is name, sex or birth, and birth is also contains the three sub item, that is month, day, year. Then next, father is also consist of the two sub item, that is name and age. And second is the mother, third one is the mother, is also contains the sub item, that is name and age. Number to the left of each variable is called level number. Each group item is followed by the sub item. Sub item is also called as the level number. The level of sub item is one more than the level of group item. Group item means it is the newborn baby, and sub item means these are the name, month, day, year. Okay, these are the sub item of a particular group item. Okay, so to indicate the number of record in a file, we may write one number is newborn consists of the 20 element. It indicates file of 20 records, means newborn baby are 20 records. Total number of newborn baby is 20. Any particular field in a record can be accessed by using a period. For example, in the above record, if you want to refer the age of father, then it can be done by writing newborn dot, this is the group item newborn, dot sub item means sub group item, that is father, and sub item is the age. If there are 20 records, then we want to refer the sex of sixth newborn, then it can be done by writing newborn dot sex equals to 6, means the particular sex number is which is stored in the newborn baby group item. This is called as the record. The representation of record in memory. Record contains non-homogeneous data, means collection of different data item. Okay, to store record in memory, we may use linear array. For example, a newborn record, we require 9 linear arrays such as name. For I am also first of all, the newborn is the group item, so the name, sex, month, day, year, father name, father age, mother name, mother age, these are the one array of element of data item, means this is the sub item. All the array should be parallel. This is for subscript k of element. means name of K, sex of K up to the mother age of K must be belong to the same record, that is 2.8 shows the parallel array. These are the parallel array of record. So name consists of the particular element of the newborn baby names. These are the sex newborn baby, month up to the mother age. These are the which is stored in parallel in a newborn baby record. These are the parallel array of record.